Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Forward Focus side mirror glass. First, gather your tools, a plastic pry tool, your new mirror glass, and some strong adhesive. Make sure your forward focus is parked securely with the ignition off. Safety is key, so please wear protective gloves and eyewear throughout this simple repair. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your side mirror. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror glass. Gently insert your pry tool behind the old glass, working around the edges to release it from the housing. Be careful not to damage the mirror motor or housing. If your mirror has heating elements or turn signals, carefully disconnect the electrical wires. Once the old glass is out, take a moment to clean the mirror housing, ensuring a clean surface for the new glass. With the housing clean, it's time to install your new mirror glass. First, reconnect any electrical wires for heating or turn signals to the back of the new glass. Carefully align the new mirror glass with the housing and apply firm, even pressure until it clicks securely into place. You should hear a satisfying click as it seats properly. Finally, test the mirror's adjustment functions and any heating elements to ensure everything works perfectly. To finish up, double-check that your new mirror glass is securely attached and all functions, like adjustment and heating, are working as expected. Regularly cleaning your side mirrors will maintain optimal visibility and safety on the road. For a sparkling home, consider upgrading your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description below for a link to this amazing robot vacuum, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.